This is what the people need to see to understand why it's taken so long to get this car to run.
Hey, don't worry about it.
It won't focus. So the plan as of right now is to make it run today. Probably not drive because we still don't have a drive shaft, but we got to get a little intake elbow for that so that we can put the MAF on. And we got Reed modifying his hard top out here. This is insane. It's gonna look so cool. Alright, e-brake bracket. Alright, so we've accomplished putting on the brackets for the handbrake. And they, for whatever reason, Nissan decided between 1989 and 1990, or 91 I guess, to change the brackets. So these are...
They changed the whole system. The cables are different, the brackets are different. It's stupid.
So these are from the 91, and he has 91 calipers. So he figured he would have to have these, but these are too long for the cable. So we kind of jerry-rigged. The 89 left side is on the right side, and the 89 right side is on the left side. And they're flipped upside down, and it kind of works.
If it's
good enough for right now.
Well, if it doesn't work, I'm just going to cut the 91s and weld them shorter. That's fine too. But
it's not called jerry-rigging, it's called custom.
Something like that. Now we're gonna go to AutoZone or somewhere and get the little elbow for that. And what else do we need to get?
Some fuel lines. What else do we need? I think that's it, actually.
And it's gonna run. Alright, so we've acquired heater hose for the crankcase breather. I'm gonna connect them in a little T.
Yeah.
Some obnoxiously expensive
plastic
dumb plastic elbow.
It's plastic, and it costs like $15 for this.
And then we got two black clamps.
Also obnoxiously expensive.
And one, they only had one at the first place we went, so we went somewhere else so we could have matching black ones. So now we're gonna...
Then we're gonna find out that it's a 3.5-inch intake.
Yep.
We can't actually use it in this.
It's gonna start, it's gonna work. Just pay attention to the clearance there on that little pulley.
Hey, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
It's alright, it's all good. Everything's fine.
Dude, this isn't even silicone.
What?
Well, it's not like, you know how like they have the weave like wrapped silicone?
Yeah.
This is molded, but it's just got the little lines so it makes it look like it is. That is so bad.
Nice.
Spectre, the 400 mile per hour company.
I like how they have a little adapter in there too.
Yeah, there's a...
Yeah, I don't know what they went 400 miles per hour with, but it wasn't that crap.
He was not using these products. It's like Wish, but...
It's like Wish, but you can buy it in a store.
It's like Wish, but overpriced. You don't have to pay for shipping. No, this is like eBay.
Reed feels attacked.
You can get much better stuff on eBay than this.
Oh, 100%. I bought a 3-inch blue one for like $5 and it shipped to my house in 2 days.
If all two people who watch this, like, plan ahead, buy stuff online. Don't go to your auto parts store and get this junk. This is like a real ricer crap. For those of you who wouldn't consider yourself terrible, this is not quite right. Go on!
Well, it's probably exactly 3 inches, so it's not any bigger than the intake.
I'm gonna bet that it's smaller than 3 inches. They're trying to save money.
Probably right.
Also, I'm gonna spin this so you can't see the... No, I'm not, because it's really tight.
Intake's on. Needs to get a little adapter thing. I literally just got that wire moving on its own.
Stay.
Quality wiring.
Actually, that problem will be solved when I get stuff I'm actually gonna use, so...
Okay, sweet.
It's fine. I just need to actually return this.
Just to start it today.
Yeah, this is nothing that's going to stay.
Alright, let's go get some food.
If I can help it. Yes, let's do
and then we just have to do the vacuum lines really quickly, and then the fuel lines in the back. Sweet. The gas. So when we started it, obviously has gas. Yeah. And Nathan's MR2 here is literally made to carry around 5-gallon gas cans, because this is perfect.
If it leaks, it goes straight to the ground?
Yeah. They'll actually get to see this thing run and drive, because they've never done that before. You guys can hear the beautiful noises this car makes. So this is Nathan's, what year is this?
2001.
2001 Toyota MR2 Spider. And this was your first or second time welding?
Yeah.
Welded the entire manifold together.
Yeah, it was like my second time doing the manifold. Third time was doing the actual exhaust.
Got a exhaust from a Jaguar at a junkyard. Tuned it yourself. Yep. Progressively working on the tune.
Yeah, it's always a work in progress, but
clearly it works great.
Low boost is like 4 pounds basically, and then high boost is like well, it depends because I'm still working on the boost management stuff. I say working on, what I mean is ignoring and I'll work on it later. But high boost is like 7 to 10 pounds. It kind of fluctuates.
All I'm asking right now is that you do a pull because your car's warm.
Of course. If the light ever changes. And
we got old red over here.
Alright.
So you gotta scoot. So good. It makes the best noises. I love this little thing. That thing needs to make 700 horsepower just to keep up with traffic. And we can do it. It's fine.
I
Yeah. I think it's time.
Putting gas in it?
We're putting gas in it. So we just did the fuel lines and got everything ran up here, and then he did that little vacuum line right there. I like how I said that vacuum line and then pointed to literally every vacuum line in the motor. Just the crankcase breather. Filling her up. And then you get to sort through all those nice buttons, press the right ones, and then it'll run.
It's not hard to sort through. Also, you want to check underneath and make sure I'm not dripping.
I was going to wait till you filled it all the way up, and then I was going to check because that, you know.
Yeah, that sounds smarter,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, just in case we're leaking. We'll leak it. Yeah, we'll lose it all. Just to make sure we know we're leaking.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't hear anything. Sick.
Okay.
The moment is now, Nathan.
Well, we got to prime the fuel pump.
No, it's now.
We have to prime the pump.
I'm starting it.
It won't start if you don't prime it a few times. Jeez. I gotta.
Undo the battery charger.
Battery charger. Not that I really probably need to, but I will.
Excitement.
Power to that.
I heard it do things.
I know that made bubbly noises.
Hang on, I'm going to go over here so I can see the buttons. Just so everyone knows how to start your car.
Yeah, fine. Power is on.
Look at those nice purple lights right there. Are you going to start it?
It's priming. I'm going to prime it like 3 times.
Okay, go again. What's that button in the far left corner for?
Wiper. Right, far left or far right?
Far left.
That one?
The bottom.
Oh, that's the blinker.
No.
This one?
Yeah.
It's the starter. But it turns on when you hit ignition, because it won't work if you don't have the ignition on.
You can prime it one more time.
Yeah, hang on. And
Who's coming up your driveway right now? Like your mom's home just in time to hear it run.
alright, hey, look for gas squirting out. Is there any gas squirting out?
Oh, that's probably a good idea.
I'm gonna prime one more time to watch.
Alright.
You ready?
Yep.
Nice.
You good, broski?
Okay.
And let me check, do it one more time and let me check the other side just to make sure.
Alright, ready?
Yep. You're good. I hear it, but I don't see anything.
Okay.
Like it's not squirting, it's just kind of... Are you ready?
Alright, here goes nothing.
Oh my god! No way! Yeah! Oh my god, that was so awesome! Hang on. Hang on. Alright.
That's the first roar of new life.
Yes! That was awesome! That was like... Yeah! It lives!
Oh!
It lives! Wait.
Oh, I want to try an idle with the throttle.
Do you want me to... Hang on, I'm just gonna...
Yeah, if you want to drive it, well...
Just start it one more time and then I'll actually edit it.
Ready?
Yeah! It's idling! Yeah! Dude, that's awesome! It's freaking idling on its own!
No way!
Alright, easy now, killer. God dang! awesome. Thing sounds gnarly. And yeah, I don't see anything leaking. Look, our fan shroud's not messed up either. Our little fan's working. You can see it. Oh my god.
Holy crap, dude! I was upstairs and I heard it. I was like, wait, is that Nathan's car?
Now insert all the times they said, it's not gonna work, it's not gonna work, it's not gonna work. That was literally the first try. God, it's awesome. Give her a little rev, mate. God, that's sick. Yeah, turn it off. Let's check for leaks and stuff. That's sick.
I mean, that even sounds good. I mean, that's
Congratulations, Nathan and
oh my god.
Does that mean the wiring's done?
Yes.
Sort of. I need to
It needs to be tucked, but
I need to get the gauges working and clean it up, but gosh, it works.
Woohoo!
God, you gotta be proud of that.
Oh.
Oh, that is awesome. Wow.
that's freaking sick.
I love it. Love it. Now we just gotta see it sideways, right? Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
Well, I gotta get a drive shaft and some other things before that.
know,
But yeah.
I know.
Nah, just good.
That's wow. Oh my wow.
Even the dog's excited.
Even Molly's excited. What do you think, Molly?
She's so
Is it
stoked.
good? Is it good?
Alright, so now that it's running, I told him he needs to lower it so we can see what it's going to look like.
Yeah.
While he's doing that, I'm going to do my brakes.
You gotta be.
Just to appreciate how
I'm lower.
clean this is.
It is pretty clean. I'm gonna lower it just enough that I can actually still get the jack under the gas tank, and then I'm gonna match the
Yeah, I
front.
can't get the jack. I was about to ask
That's
you if
my
I could use
one-
yours, but you put it under there, so I'm
That's
just
my
going to do one at a time.
When I first set it down, and it's being lifted, so.
So we got the rears adjusted. It's like a little 10 mil spacer to bring it out. That would look like perfect. We're just kind of giving it a
Because the car is tipped right now.
light adjustment right now, just to get it a little bit low to get a ballpark of how it will sort of look. I feel like Austin right now. I'm just walking around filming dumb stuff. This is Reed's Fastback Miata build right now.
In progress.
In progress. They've kicked their parents out of the garage. Quit dying!
I'm sorry.
Or shut up and die already, so I can have your car. Please write me into your will. So we're gonna start it one more time just to make sure everything's all good. Got those lights on. Yes, sir. Gah. This isn't gonna end like every other video. Well, we didn't really get much done today. It friggin' started today. This looks pretty good.
It also looks a lot higher with everything open.
Yeah. They said shed some light on the old girl. Bam.
Yeah, that door's a little bit big.
You need a grill. You need to fix that bumper gap.
Yeah, fix the bumper
And
gap,
low.
dash bar.
Yeah, so
Front needs to come down some more. just based on the side skirts.
Hope you guys are happy with it. If you're not, we really don't care, but just be happy with it. Like, it runs. It runs, and it's about to drive soon. I don't know. When do you think it's going to drive? Let's make a prediction. 2 weeks from now?
It really depends on when driveshaft gets back. But yeah, if I said 2 weeks.
2 weeks. What's today? By the end of the year. That's like a week and a half.
Yeah, we'll go with that.
Depending on if not the people.
Driveshaft is done.
Yeah, if the people of the drive
is
shaft
done,
place want to work, then it'll be done in a week and a half. But
we'll see.
should be done by the end of the year.
And that's test drive. That's not finished. because-
But it will 100%, without a doubt, regardless of anything that happens between now and then, it will 100% be at iTrack Motorsports' first event, which is January 19th, I
if I
think.
have anything to do with it, if I don't have a broken leg or something, yeah.
I don't know why it won't focus right now, but yes.
Yeah, it better be.
All right. Bye.